I can't do it. So here at Team Our Leap of Faith this morning, the excitement is building. Have you heard of the Ridge Monkey cooking unit? Well, a couple of years ago we purchased this one, which is the camper version, and it's travelled with us all around Europe and it's been absolutely fantastic. So it's like a mini sandwich maker. So after watching a video on YouTube, I decided I was going to buy this, the Ridge Monkey XL Compact Sandwich Toaster. And it has arrived today, so we're going to unpack it. Oh, it's exciting! And it's got its own cover. Wow! Wow! Oh, get out. So, as you can see, this is the new Ridge Monkey. Big brother. No handles. So, we'll have a look. 2 handles. So, they obviously go on like that. And like that. So, wow! We have utensils too. Little spatula. Little fork, little spoon and a slotted spoon. So we have the Ridge Monkey, and on the video we were watching they done a full English breakfast in there, and guess what, no fat required, so extra healthy eating. And as not a lot of you all know, I have been on a diet the last few months, so this is absolutely fantastic. So there we go. And also it's another extra special day because my husband Paul entered a competition on Gastrovana, and guess what? We won! And it is the Gastrovana mug.
Mug. It's like the most coveted prize on the internet.
Oh, there we go. See, Paul is so ecstatically happy. And this is going to go with us on our holiday for 3 months, and you will see this popping up in all sorts of different places. So look out. Watch out for Our Leap of Faith.